Hello, hello, hello. You've reached the law office of Don Dennis, where we aim to provide you information that will help your business remain profitable, stay out of court, and thrive. So imagine sitting in church, enjoying service, enjoying the song selection from the choir, clapping your hands, and out of the blue, the back doors burst open. A process server walks in, or the sheriff walks up to the pulpit and serves your pastor or choir director with a lawsuit. What kind of lawsuit are we talking about? Not a church scandal or anything unsavory, but a lawsuit for copyright infringement. How exactly could this happen? Well, let's back up a minute. What is a copyright? A copyright gives someone that creates a creative product the right to publicly display it, perform it, copy it, or prepare derivative works of it. So, how does this affect church? I mean, you're just sitting in church, no one's bothering anyone, everyone is just singing along, having a good time, listening to music. Well, what we have to understand is if you're doing that and they're singing music in the church and you don't own that music, the choir director didn't create that music, meaning he or she didn't write the music or arrange the lyrics for it, then they are not the copyright owner. So according to copyright law, it's perfectly acceptable to sing other songs in church or display the lyrics on the screen. But what's the problem then? Why am I saying a lawsuit for copyright infringement? Well, I'm saying a lawsuit for the simple fact that nowadays, many churches are streaming their services online, streaming them on the church's website, on YouTube, on Facebook Live, Instagram Live, or Vimeo. And if you are streaming that song that's by Kirk Franklin, that's by Mary Mary, that's by Travis Green, Tasha Cobb, and you don't have permission from that artist or from the publishers, then you are technically violating their copyrights. And as a violator of their copyrights, you are infringing, is what we call it under the law of their copyrights. So what could you be liable or responsible for? Well, for each song, you could be sued for up to $30,000 plus attorney's fees. And if they can prove that you did it intentionally, on purpose, meaning willfully under the law, you could be responsible for up to $150,000 plus attorney's fees and other costs because you don't have a license to stream that music online. So what exactly should you do? You need to get permission. And how do you do that? Contact my office as we help churches obtain permission to protect themselves and not be found liable of copyright infringement. This is just a quick tip to try to save you some frustration, hassle, and other problems. Remember, as the video is titled, Sinning in the Church, the Bible says, give unto Caesar what is Caesar's. So give unto the government what belongs to the government. And the government has established laws pertaining to copyright infringement. And if you are violating them, then technically you're not giving unto Caesar what is Caesar's and you're not following the law. So the only way to stop being wrong is start being right. And for assistance with that in your church, contact my office. The number is on the box. It's also 310-776-3970 or visit our website at dondennislaw.com. Thanks for joining.